Hi, this is Eddie with CustomCabinetSoftware.com. I'm going to show you how to draw an island cabinet in Cabinet Solutions. To start with, I'm going to draw a wall. And the reason behind this is Cabinet Solutions needs at least a virtual wall in place on the floor plan to place an object up against it. And I'll make it 70 inches in length, and then when I click Make Wall and Island, it's going to change the height to 0. So you won't actually see the wall when you're looking at the 3D. Now I'll go to Place Cabinets and select a standard base, and I'll make it 70 inches wide and place it on the floor plan. I'm going to click the cabinet and click Customize Cabinet so that I can section it out the way I like. This view has doors and drawer fronts turned off, as well as countertop. I'm going to turn those on. So I'll click the cabinet, go to my elevation, and check the box for display doors and display counters. Then when I click the cabinet again, it takes me back to the customized cabinet view. So to section this out, I'm going to add center stiles. It asks me whether or not I want to place a partition behind the center stile and the location of it. And if I click on properties, I can change the material for the partition and choose whether or not to dado the bottom, top, stretcher, nailer, or back. And if I choose to dado those parts, I can specify a depth. I'm going to click OK and then continue. And each time I click on this representation of the cabinet, it's going to split it. Then I'll hit OK. And I'm going to resize these openings and change the type of opening. To do that, I'll click on Openings, Rollouts. I'll start with opening 1, edit selected opening, and I'm going to change the width to 12 and hit OK. I'm going to do the same thing to opening number 5. 12 and OK. Now, if I want to change these openings to drawers instead of doors, I'll again go to Openings, Rollouts, click on opening number 2, edit, drawer. I select drawer for the type and hit OK. Gives me a huge drawer, which I'm going to split into multiple drawers here in a second. I'll change opening number 6 to a drawer opening as well. Then I'm going to split those large drawers with center rails. It asks me if I want to go with the default size, or if I don't, this is my opportunity to change it. I'll just continue. Each time I click on one of these openings, it's going to split it with a center rail. And if I don't like these opening sizes, I can go to the heights of these drawers. I can go to Openings and Rollouts to adjust that. The adjustment I'm going to make in this case is I'm going to change the middle opening into a stovetop. So I'll go to Openings, Rollouts, click on opening number 4, which is currently a drawer, edit, and under types, select stovetop. Now for my island, I don't want just I want raised panel ends on the side, on both sides. So to do that, I'll go click on ends, and I'll check plant on for both sides, and then we'll look at the plant on properties. For the method, I have replace side panel with door, but you can also place a skin on the side panel or plant a door onto the side panel. And then if I go to define plant on, I can change the basic style. So arch top and bottom is what I want. Well, the last style of arch top and bottom. If I click on materials, I can change the frame and panel material. I can change the panel style. If I click on other standards, I can change the frame and panel thickness and the style and rail widths. And I can also change the arch depth and a number of other options. Okay. And I am going to remove the backsplash from this countertop. So I'll go to Cabinet Standards, Countertops, and backsplash height 0. Now I'm going to place a wainscot panel on the back of this cabinet. So in order to do that, I'm going to go back to my Place Cabinets view. I'm going to copy this cabinet, Smart Copy, and place it on the back. And there's a feature in the program under Customize Cabinet where I can go to View Delete Boards and change the entire cabinet to a wainscot panel. It just deletes all the parts except the panel. Now I'm going to add countertop to this for the overhang on the back of the island. So I'll go to Cabinet Standards, Countertops, 1-inch thickness, front overhang will be 12. Done. So now let's look at what we have in the 3D view. Alright, I'll go around the back. And I can change the height here. Oops. And that is how you build an island cabinet in Cabinet Solutions. If you have any questions, give us a call at 800-283-9577 or send an email to support@customcabinetsoftware.com.